I don't remember if we did one of these in our examples, our lessons. Question is, which of the following is a factor of x squared plus x minus 30? All right, so you got two ways that I can think of that you could do this. Maybe three. Anyway, the most straightforward way is just to factor it. All right, you want to find two numbers that multiply to 30 and they subtract to give you 1. All right, they multiply to 30 and they subtract to give you 1. All right, so it's going to be 5 and 6. Okay, so this will factor, x and x, 5 and 6, and then because it's a minus, they're going to have different signs, 1 plus, 1 minus, but the bigger number has to be positive. So it's going to be x plus 6 and x minus 5. And now you just kind of match it up. It's this x plus 6. This is a factor of this. Now the other way, which we did earlier in the year, we talked about the remainder theorem and synthetic division. What you can do, you actually could do this original divided by each of these, but it was actually faster to use the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem says is if you think that x minus 3 is a factor, then you can test it. You can test it by plugging it in. So plug 3 in for x. Now, when you plug 3 in for x, you're hoping to get 0. Remember, a remainder of 0 means that it is a factor. So if I did like 3 stored to x, the opposite of this sign, I guess. So now I would type in the original, x squared plus x minus 30. I get negative 18. I didn't get 0. So what this negative 18 is the remainder of x squared plus x minus 30 divided by x minus 3. All right, didn't have the right remainder. You could try plugging in 10 for x. Just come back up here. Oh, and you don't get 0. Now here you would plug in negative 6, store to x. Go back up and evaluate that. And you get a remainder of 0. All right, that's another way that you can do this.